Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to attempt some paper 1 questions from the topics long and short-sightedness and their corrective measures. So you don't get a lot of questions from these topics, so this is going to be a pretty short video. A man is short-sighted. Which ray diagram shows what happens in his eye when he looks at a distant object? So a short-sighted person is one who can see nearby objects clearly, but distant objects are a problem for that person. So what actually happens inside of the eye? Yeah, option A cannot be it, because the light rays, the parallel light rays that are entering the eye, they're just going straight parallel. Now that can't be it. Option B shows a perfectly good eye in which the image is being formed exactly at the retina. So this is a perfectly functional eye. So option B is not it. Option C shows the case where the image is formed in front of the retina. And that is exactly what happens with a short-sighted person. So option C is the correct answer over here. Option D shows the case where the image is formed behind the retina, and this is what happens with a long-sighted person. So option C is the answer that we are looking for. Which row applies to a short-sighted eye viewing a distant object? So first of all, we have to decide where the position of the image would be, and then we have to see what lens would we need to correct that issue. Now we just went over it in the last question, that the position of the image for a short-sighted person when he or she is viewing a distant object is in front of the retina. So option A and option B, from the start, I can just cancel them out. They are not one of the options that I'm considering. So I know that the position of the image is in front of the retina. So what kind of lens would we need to correct this situation? So since the rays, they are converging in front of the retina, I need to diverge them a little more so that they will converge exactly onto the retina. So for that, I will need a diverging lens. So I'll cancel out option C. The correct answer is option D. The image is formed in front of the retina. I just need to diverge those rays a bit more so that the image is formed exactly onto the retina. Lastly, a girl is long-sighted. Which statement is correct? She sees close objects less clearly than a person with normal vision. This sounds correct. She sees distant objects more clearly than a person with normal vision. Now, this sounds really weird. It's not like long-sightedness is a superpower that she'll be able to see distant objects better than everybody else. Option C says the fault is corrected with a diverging lens. We just saw that short-sightedness is corrected with a diverging lens. So can't be it. The image of a close object is formed in front of the retina. That is not it. We know that in long-sightedness, the image is formed for close objects behind the retina. So option A is the correct answer. She sees close objects less clearly as opposed to a person with normal vision. So you see questions from long and short-sightedness, they're pretty repetitive, they're all the same kind, and they're super easy. So I hope this was helpful. I will see you next time with some paper 2 questions. Till then, take care.